Let's do this next 5-panel door so you can understand the principles of using your paintbrush. Dunk, dunk, slap, slap. Middle panel first. Apply the product. Do your flat piece. Get the paint on first. Now let's feather over it all the way to the edge. That leaves a nice graining effect with the latex paint. Now do your inlay. Next panel. All panel doors are pretty much the same. Feather it off. Do your middle piece. Feather over your work to get that nice bristle stroke graining in there. You'll love me for it later. Feather over it. Okay, go down. Take a nail. Do your next panel. Now you're gonna feather off. Do your middle piece. Feather over your work. Get the bristle strokes in there. Start on your next panel. Apply the paint first. Okay, the paint is applied. There you go. Do your middle piece. Feather over your work. Do your last panel. Apply the paint first. Do this piece. Apply the product first. Now we're going to feather it off. Now do your inlay. Now do your middle piece. Feather over your work. Do the bottom piece now. Feather over your work. Now you're going to bring your side rail up. Take long strokes. Get the paint on first. Apply the paint first. Now feather over your work to leave the bristle graining effect. We want to leave the graining effect of the latex. It'll dry beautifully. Now you go up as much as you can reach, feather it down, blend everything in. Now you're gonna have to stand up. Finish off your side rail. Feather it all the way down. Finish off your side rail. Feather it all the way down and then back up. Let's see what that door looks like. Okay, that's the door you just painted. What do you think? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Look at the shine on that thing, huh? Good job.